harvesting water leaf in the greenhouse. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to the channel. So the greenhouse, harvesting water leaf in the greenhouse. So the water leaf we have in the greenhouse is ready to be harvested. Look at how lush and how big the leaves are. So the water leaf is ready to be harvested. So we're gonna be harvesting it today. And you can see these ones over here. Also, this one's over here in this bucket. So most of the water leaves in the greenhouse, we're gonna harvest everything today. This is gonna be the first harvest of the season for 2025. Our first harvest in the greenhouse for water leaf. So let's look at this ones over here. This same thing, all of them big leaves and very big, and some of them are already producing flowers and seeds on top. We don't want that. You want to harvest the water leaf as soon as possible, because once they start producing seeds like that, they will not produce any more leaves. So we try to make sure that we harvest it. If they start producing leaves, we harvest it, and we're gonna be able to at least make sure that they continue to produce more water leaf. So we're harvesting the leaves, cutting the top like that, and also cutting any of the big leaves that are there on the plant. We use it to prepare dish like arrow. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna harvest our water leaf, and then we're gonna try to see if we can make some arrow with it. So let me know in the comments below. Do you know anything about water leaf? And what name do you guys call it in your area? We have so many different names for water leaf. I'll put it in the description below. But there's so many different names. Some people call it African spinach, Lego spinach, and so many other names. So we're gonna try to cut our water leaf and fill this container out and see how it goes. So, but we're getting quite a few from the greenhouse so far, which is awesome. We'll go to the next shelf over here, harvesting the like I said, we're gonna harvest the leaves. We're gonna harvest the tip of the water leaf, and then be able to do some arrow with it today. So let me know in the comments below if you've grown water leaf, or you've harvested water leaf, or you've seen it in the garden somewhere, or you've grown it in the past. Let me know in the comments below if you're growing water leaf, or you plan to grow water leaf in the future. Let me know. Also let me know what you guys use the water leaf for. So like I said, we use it mostly for arrow. I know people use it for various vegetables and various soups and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments below what dish do you guys cook with it. So maybe at the end of the video I can show you guys the dish that we prepare with it. Hopefully my wife will be done by the time I'm done with the video, so we can take a look at and see what dish to do with it. Look at a lot of water leaf is coming out of this greenhouse, which is awesome. For the first harvest, this is really huge. So hopefully the whole season we're gonna get a lot of harvest like this in the greenhouse and in the garden. So the garden, we just transplanted our stuff to the garden, so the garden is not that ready like this one. The garden is still have seedlings out there, but the greenhouse we're able to harvest early because we planted in the greenhouse early. And so we're gonna be able to harvest a couple of times in the greenhouse before we can start harvesting outside in the garden. So that's the benefits of having a greenhouse like this. You're able to start early, and you're able to harvest a lot more vegetables in your greenhouse. So awesome. So this one is looking good. So we're gonna go to the next shelf. Once we're done with this couple of them over here, we're gonna go to the next shelves and harvest the others over there. And this year the weather hasn't been really great. I'm in zone 6B. We're getting in the middle of June, we're getting temperatures in the 50s, which is not really good, and that's why some of the plants outside are not doing as well. But in the greenhouse, it's doing okay. It's doing great because of the temperature. It's a little bit warmer in the greenhouse than outside, so the plants are doing awesome in the greenhouse. Let me know in the comments below, how are your temperatures in your areas? Are you guys having the same issues like we do over here? In New England here, we have a New England weather. The temperature keeps fluctuating up and down. One day we have 90 degrees, 80-degree weather. The next day we have 50 degrees, which is not really good for plants. It's not good for people too, but right now we're just talking about plants. So we want the temperature to be consistently above 70 or 80 degrees. The plants are going to flourish and do better in a situation like that. So we're just hoping that from now on, temperature is going to be much warmer consistently for the next 3 months. We have a short growing season here in New England, so this is what we've got harvested so far. So I'm gonna try to speed up the video so that way it doesn't take a lot of your time. If you're liking the video so far, please smash the like button. If you're not following me, follow me, subscribe to the channel for more videos and more likes and more live videos like this. And also let me know in the comments below what you think about the video and what you think about my harvesting process. So let me know. Usually my wife does a lot of the harvesting. So today I'm doing the harvesting and she's gonna prepare it. So we traded places today. So awesome. So let's go. This is a lot. We've harvested quite a few already. Look at the amount of water leaf we've harvested. I think with this is way more than I expected it to be for the first harvest. It's a lot of water leaf, so I'm gonna have to get a new bucket, new container to continue harvesting after putting all the ones that I just harvested in here. I'm gonna have to get a new container because I didn't expect it to be this much in this first harvest. So harvesting the water leaf and preparing it takes a lot of time, but just harvesting it right now is taking a lot of time because there was a lot of water leaf. There is a lot of water leaf in the greenhouse that I have to harvest, and going back and forth just trying to harvest as much of it as possible. Another thing taking a little bit more time will be just harvesting the leaves themselves. You can see I'm harvesting the big leaves that we have there, and also harvesting the tip of the water leaf, and we're gonna cut it to cook arrow, which is awesome. So which is one of my favorite dishes. So awesome. So let's continue harvesting. Like I said, this is already full. I'm gonna have to replace this, get another bucket. So I got another bucket. I am already filling the other bucket. So this is the end of the harvesting. Let me show you how the greenhouse looks after harvesting. You can see how spacious it is right now. All the leaves and all the tip of the water leaf are harvested, and so within a couple of weeks we should be able to harvest again. Okay, this is it. Look at the arrow. My wife made the arrow. It's awesome. And this is how the arrow looks once it's prepared with another vegetable arrow. And that is it. And look at what we still have left over here. We still have quite like half of it left. We still have to do it. So if you guys are interested in seeing the whole process, maybe you can like and comment below, and maybe she might be able to do it. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button, leave a comment below, share the video, and subscribe to the channel and follow me for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Happy growing, everybody.